Okay, so um, in this demo, we're going to go over how I put together this what's called the power tower when you have a base number to a power to a power to a power. Um, yeah, I'll just get into it. So first I define all my variables, base number, exponent 1, exponent 2, exponent 3, and then we get into writing the actual Python code for this. So in order to get into Python code mode, you have to type in equals py tab. That's the secret. And then when you want to execute it, you press Control Enter. And you'll notice that nothing showed up, and that's because I didn't enter any Python code. So just because I'm a horrible typer, I have the code pre-put into here. It's this standard Python notation when you want to create a function. So first you start with the keyword def, and then you name your function. In this case, it's power tower function. You define your first variable name, your second variable name, your third variable name, and however many variables you actually have. And then on the next line, indent one tab. That's important. You can't forget to do that, otherwise it won't work. Type return, and then you, using the variables that you made up in this top part, you apply the framework for the mathematical operation you want to happen. So I have any number. Star star is the same thing as an upwards caret in normal Excel. So to the power of exponent 1 times exponent 2 times exponent 3, and that will give you the power to raise any number 2, and give you the result that you're looking for. So then one side note, I like to end my Python code cells with what's happening in the cell in quotes, and that way when you press Control Enter, you'll see highlighted there is power tower function in quotes is the last line. It will show up, whatever you have in quotes will show up in the actual cell. So that's just kind of a easy way to stay organized. And then I just kind of outlined what I did just now right here in this picture. And then this isn't necessary, but I just want to show that you can also put a function inside what's called a class. And it doesn't really make sense to do it here, but as you write more and more complex functions and code blocks, sometimes it helps to organize things in classes, but that's a topic for another video. So just like any other Excel function, you can call it power tower function, which is what I did down here. I typed in equals py. You have to type in equals py if you want to reference your Python functions. So just to be clear, I typed in equals py tab, and then I typed in this code up here. And when you are trying to reference specific cells using Python code, all you have to do is click click on the cell, and it will type in the Excel function that you need to reference it. And that's about it for the first video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.